Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Podcast with Emma, the place where you learn real English for real life. Today's topic is exciting and very modern: how to practice speaking with AI. Yes, artificial intelligence is not just technology for scientists, it can be your personal English partner anytime, anywhere. If you feel shy speaking with people, don't have a partner, or want to improve faster, AI can help you practice every day. Let's explore how. Why practice speaking with AI? Many English learners struggle with the same problems: no one to practice with, fear of making mistakes, lack of confidence. Limited time for classes, AI solves these problems. You can practice 24 hours a day. You can make mistakes without feeling embarrassed. You can repeat as many times as you want. Most importantly, AI gives you a safe space to grow. Step 1. Start with simple conversations. When you begin practicing with AI, keep it simple. You can start with daily topics like introducing yourself, talking about your job or school, describing your day, ordering food. For example, you can say, "Hello, my name is Dara. I am from Cambodia. I work as a teacher." Then ask the AI to respond and continue the conversation. This helps you build confidence and fluency step by step. Step 2. Practice repetition and improvement. One powerful way to improve is repetition. Ask the AI to correct your sentence and help you say it better. For example, I very like English. AI, you can say, "I really like English," then repeat the correct sentence aloud. Repetition helps your brain remember the right structure. Step 3. Use role plays. Role playing is one of the best ways to practice real life conversations. You can ask AI to act as a customer in a shop, a job interviewer, a hotel receptionist, a friend meeting you for coffee. For example, pretend you are a job interviewer. Ask me questions. This prepares you for real situations and reduces anxiety. Step 4. Focus on pronunciation. Speaking is not only about words, it is also about pronunciation. You can read sentences aloud, ask AI to provide phonetic guidance, practice difficult sounds. For example, practice words like think, comfortable development, speak slowly and clearly. Confidence comes with practice. Step 5. Create a daily routine. Consistency is the key to improvement. Here's a simple daily plan: 5 minutes, warm up conversation, 10 minutes, role play practice, 5 minutes, pronunciation practice. In just 20 minutes a day, you will see progress in a few weeks. Small daily actions create big results. Step 6. Ask for feedback. One of the greatest advantages of AI is instant feedback. You can ask, "Can you correct my grammar? How can I sound more natural? Is this sentence polite?" This helps you sound more fluent and confident. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. Step 7. Build confidence. The more you practice, the more confident you become. At first, you may speak slowly, you may make mistakes, you may feel unsure, but after a few weeks, you will notice faster responses, better pronunciation, more natural sentences. Confidence grows through action. Final thoughts: practicing English. Speaking with AI is like having a patient, supportive teacher who is always available. You don't need perfect grammar, you don't need expensive classes, you only need consistency and courage. Start today. Speak a little, improve a little, smile a little. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for listening to Daily English Podcast with Emma. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who wants to improve their English. Remember, practice daily, speak confidently, and never stop learning. See you in the next episode.